If you have lost your marriage certificate, do not panic. It can be replaced. The first step is to contact the office where you originally obtained the certificate. This is usually the county clerk or vital records office. They will be able to guide you through the process of obtaining a replacement certificate. You will need to provide identification and proof of your marriage, such as a driver's license and a copy of your marriage license. You may also need to fill out a form requesting a replacement certificate, which can usually be found on the office's website or obtained in person. Once you have submitted your request, you will need to pay a fee for the replacement certificate, which can vary depending on the state or county. The fee is usually around $20 to $30, but it is best to check with the office for the exact amount. After submitting your request and paying the fee, you will receive a replacement marriage certificate in the mail. This can take several weeks, so be patient and plan ahead if you need the certificate for a specific purpose, such as applying for a passport or changing your name. It is also a good idea to make a copy of your replacement certificate and store it in a safe place, such as a fireproof safe or a safe deposit box. This will ensure that you have a backup in case the original is lost or damaged again. In addition, you may also want to consider obtaining multiple copies of your marriage certificate, especially if you have recently gotten married. This can save you time and hassle in the long run, and ensure that you have the documents you need when you need them. Overall, replacing a lost marriage certificate is a relatively straightforward process, as long as you have the necessary identification and proof of marriage. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure that you have a valid marriage certificate and avoid any potential problems in the future.